In this video, I will show you how to fix and resolve Start menu not responding after latest update on Windows 11. Right click on taskbar, then taskbar settings. Now scroll down in taskbar behavior. Make sure this automatically hide the taskbar is not selected. If it's selected, so unselect. Now exit and restart. Second method you can try. Click on restart, then search CMD. Run as administrator. Now there are two command lines. You can use one by one. So firstly, copy and paste. I will give in description. Press enter and complete this process. And once this complete, same, copy this second command line and paste here. So this way guys you can fix and resolve this problem. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you.